Hello, I'm Darcy, and welcome to Screencasts Online. Today's video is a continuation of our full show on Apple Watch basics, where we'll be visiting the Apple Watch app on iPhone and the Settings app on the watch. There are some things you'll find in one and not the other, but for the most part, both can be used to customize the settings on watch. So, many of the examples will be shown on both products at the same time. To start, open the Watch app on iPhone. We'll assume you already have a watch synced, and if not, check out our full show for a setup guide. There are many settings that share similarity with iPhone settings, such as display and brightness. In this video, we're going to cover features and settings in this app that specifically relate to the watch. A few years ago, Apple added the ability to pair multiple watches with a single iPhone. This not only helps certain people who have more than one watch, but also parents who set up an Apple Watch for their child instead of giving them an iPhone. Tap on All Watches at the top left corner. You can see I have two watches synced with Auto Switch turned on. The iPhone can be paired with multiple watches, but only one can be actively syncing with it at a time. With Auto Switch on, that's the watch you're currently wearing. Turn it off to manually select a watch each time. Tap on Add Watch to set up another one. On the Apple Watch, you can add new watch faces by holding down a finger on the watch face, scrolling to change the face, tapping plus to add a new one, tapping edit to customize the face, and tapping the share sheet to send to another person for them to use. All of these options are available in the Watch app under My Faces. You'll find all the faces from your watch are synced. Tap on any to customize the color, style, bezel. You can even edit the complications. The Wayfinder face has up to 8 complications. Select any of them and scroll through the list to discover what's available. Go back and tap the share sheet to send your customized watch face with another person. Or scroll to the bottom to set it as your current face or delete the face. If you remember from setting up your Apple Watch, App View lets you choose between seeing your apps in a grid or list view. This can be found in both the Watch and Settings app. On the Watch, you can rearrange the app layout by going home, holding a finger down, and selecting Edit Apps. They jiggle and can be moved by holding down your finger and dragging, or deleted by pressing the X. There is an easier way to do this though. Head over to the Watch app and tap Arrangement. Use the same action as before to arrange the apps to your liking, and the changes will be synced to your watch.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.